Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing all right, staying healthy. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video about writing your body paragraphs. Again, you need to have um, your draft shared with me by Sunday. The sooner the better, because I'd like to not have anything to do next week. So, just like all your body paragraphs, they're going to follow the similar formula. So, you're going to start out with your topic sentence, letting the reader know what the paragraph is about. Then give your analysis, evidence, commentary. That's the biggest section of your paragraph. And then end with a concluding statement, just like we have in your other paragraphs. So here's one I wrote. My thesis is the imagery and overburden symbolizes Ben's desire to relive the past. So here's my first body paragraph. At the beginning of the story, Ben and Sarah are traveling back to Kentucky, and as they get closer, Tomlinson's description of nature foreshadows the desolation that Ben will find. Tomlinson describes Ben as being overwhelmed by nature. Trees are showing the first fall colors, a hint of bright maple reds, coming yellows among the tulip poplars, the rusted orange-brown of the oaks. Fall is beginning, and nature's death is inevitable. It is beautiful right now, but it will not last. As Ben enters Kentucky, he reminisces about life here and what he has missed. This imagery is a reflection of Ben's adoration of his former life in Kentucky, but as he will soon discover, the past is gone and is unattainable. So notice I've started chronologically, so I'm talking about the book or the story from the beginning and the first hint of this imagery that I'm talking about. Notice my quotation with my citation. Okay, here I used an introduction to the quote with a colon. And then down here, notice my page numbers, it ran onto 2 pages. I did not put the author's last name because I already said it here and it was obvious that that's where the quotation was coming from. There is very little summary. Notice maybe like a half a sentence at the beginning of the story. Ben and Sarah are traveling back home to Kentucky. So there's just a little bit of plot summary to set the context of the situation. That's what I want you to do. And then notice the transitions as well at the beginning of the story. So you'll want to use one in the beginning of your paragraph and then at the end. But as he will soon discover, the past is gone and is unattainable, leading into my next paragraph, what would be about the past being gone and unattainable through that, and how that's symbolized in the imagery that Tomlinson uses. So please, please, please let me know if you have questions while you're writing. I will be happy to help you in any way I can, and I will read your draft as many times as you want me to. So just make sure you message me and keep in touch while we're working through this.